Parts of speech refer to the categories that words fall into based on their function in a sentence. Each part of speech serves a specific role in conveying meaning and structure in language. The 8 primary parts of speech are noun. A noun represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: dog, city, happiness. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Examples: he, she, they, it. Verb. A verb expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. Examples: run is become. Adjective. An adjective describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. Examples: happy, blue, fast. Adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, often indicating how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Examples: quickly, very yesterday. Preposition. A preposition shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence, often indicating direction, time, or location. Examples: in, on, at, under. Conjunction. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: and, but, or. Interjection. An interjection expresses a strong emotion or reaction, often standing alone. Examples: wow, oh, ouch. Each part of speech contributes to building clear and grammatically correct sentences, helping convey meaning effectively.